Our first 2022 F250 Super Duty is a phenomenal one, y'all. F250 Platinum Tremor. Going to get Everest Edition treatment. This is going to be one of the baddest Super Duties we've ever done. So stay tuned for this one. This one is going to be a game changer. We're going up. The 2022, the baddest in the country right now, y'all. Mark it, the 27th of September, 2021. I had to break them out on a special occasion. The carbon fiber Jordan 1s. You know this truck's legit if I'm breaking these bad boys out. Never worn before, y'all, but this truck's got me straight tore up. For Mike Bradford, a great repeat customer, he has the #1 2022 Super Duty Platinum Tremor Everest Edition on 24s and 38s. Let's go! What do you think about it, y'all? What do you think about it? Hey, you want to take the wife out for an elegant dinner at a 5-star restaurant, or you want to go to the job site? You can roll in this truck. It really can take care of all your needs, and it's the baddest in the planet. It's even better. So up front, y'all, you know you got brushed aluminum and chrome and blue galore on the front end. So we had to do it next level, Everest Edition style, which has been going across the country like crazy, y'all. So we did the middle, the top 3 bars black. This bar across here, there's that platinum brushed aluminum. Did it body color as well, and that emblem up front, you cannot tell me it's just not unreal. It is just as unreal as these amazing headlights. Tell me those aren't the best looking headlights in the business. Incredible. High-on lumens, killed it on this build, y'all, right here at Willies at Akins. So we got the black inlay, the white border perimeter, removed all the amber, just a true one of one. We did black tow hooks up front. The vehicle was already a Tremor, so we've got the Tremor front valence, which we like to duplicate and copy. And if you're wondering what is a Tremor package, it comes with a 2-inch taller coil spring up front. You have extended vent lines on your front and rear diff for just extra water fording capability. You've got just a lot of goodies that come on the Tremor that we took half of them off. I'm not gonna lie, we took half of the Tremor options off, but we kept several on here that are meat and potatoes that really make a difference as far as the overall capability off-road. And then we just enhanced it with the looks and the overall capability. That's what we're all about, taking something phenomenal and just elevating it like up. Yes, sir. So coming on around, we got clay filming today too. Our mild to wild scale, let's showcase it. We're on 38s, we're on 24 by 12 Axe compression AX2 compression force wheels. Truly a game changer. That wheel right here is so hot. Now I'm all about running our fuel wheels and all of our Wheel Pro partner wheels and other companies as well, but sometimes we just have to step outside the box a little bit and try some different variations. So the Axe compression forged wheel in the big bad 24 by 12 -44 just is a perfect combo for this one. And told Mike, Mike and I we were right there. We were right there on what we wanted out of this truck. Him and I worked great together. We said 40s or 38s, no 37s. So 38, 13.5, 24, Nitto Ridge grappler, unbelievable overall stance and setup. You got plenty of tire. Then we also, on the FabTech 6-inch kit, we powder coated his spring and his rear radius arm star white as well. That truly sets it off. Got the Dirt Logic shocks front and rear. We have a dual steering stabilizer from Dirt Logic as well. We'll show it up front right here, Clay. We can get up under here and show it. Dual steering stabilizer to help the overall ride quality going down the road. Side badge. Oh my gosh. So got rid of the chrome, platinum with white, star white on the back lay, F250 in black. These were that brushed aluminum. Got rid of that. Did a custom combo on that, and these mirrors. Oh man. Did the chrome cap black. This was that pesky textured, cheap looking metallic, so we did that in star white also. Truly a game changer. White on your door handles. Amp power boards, we wrapped this top portion here black, as well as the power board lower portion, wrapped that black also. He loves the cam locker, so we did him a nice cam locker toolbox. Third brake lights custom as well. Oh yeah. Kept his Tremor logo on the side. Dirt Logic shocks out back. Rear wheel well liners. But y'all, hey, you know, oh my gosh, just look, hey, I'm just chilling here next to some 24s with the J's. You know, I mean, I got people that want to hate on me wearing shoes in here and all this stuff, but like, I'm living my best life. And we're sitting here with a good looking pair of shoes right here. I mean, you know, you want to talk junk about my shoes, what you gonna say about some 24s, y'all? And they forged too, from Akins. Woohoo! I'm tore up, y'all. I'm tore up. Y'all, like, this is the baddest truck in the country. You want to show me another 2022 out there that's as bad as this one? I'm just looking at my wrist. I ain't got time today. Let's go. So we got an MBRP exhaust out back, DPF back. We've got, I mean, again, the baddest taillights in the country. Yes, please. Water perimeter in star white. We've got black throughout. Kept everything legal. With a light emits, it's going to emit, so a game changer there. And then this, you know, I love them booties. These booties, this right here, y'all. This is something special. Check out this applique out back. This was also textured black. Got rid of that. Did star white with black there. But look at that tailgate. Tell me that's not the baddest setup you've ever seen. I mean, like, y'all, I'm in awe. I'm just sitting back here chilling. We got rigid SRQs. We did star white as well. And now I'm not going to do it to Clay, but just go ahead and show him the Nathan air chime train horn back here, and then the Mag High-Tech rear diff cover also. Check out the powder coated brake calipers as well, front and rear. Just lots of goodies, lots of customizations everywhere. The reason why I'd like to mess people with the horn. I like to hit the horn when they're hey, go look under there, so check that out, and hammer them. But I'm not going to do this because this is the Nathan's air chime. And it is the loudest, because it's not a plastic horn device, it's an actual steel horn. It is the loudest horn you possibly can ever imagine. So we'll do this later, but it is so loud. Coming around the side, our mild to wild scale, we're still not super aggressive. We're still not in the wild. We're kind of in between the mild, the medium, and the wild. We're right in that balance, but on a truck that's 6 inches tall, with a lift on it, 38s and 24s. This is the proper offset to go with. Oh my gosh, y'all. Like, let me know what you think. I mean, it's all there. The only thing else I got left to show you is on the inside, you got the big, bad 12-inch touchscreen. A 2022 with a very fitting interior to match that has all the goodies, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitor. I mean, it is all there on every single level. Just an incredible, and then class leading second row leg room out back with a great black with Marsala stitching throughout, twin panel moonroof. I mean, Mike did a great job in ordering this bad boy, and I'm so glad that he allowed us to customize this one. And you know, a lot of times customers aren't on the same page about how they're wanting to take a build, but Mike and I, we were right there. Actually, there were some items. We have some rear traction bars that he's going to add later that we powder coated as well. This truck's going to get even better. So, what do you think? Let's take a step back. I'm going to shut up for a little while because I've been tore up talking a lot. But Clay just showed them that, yeah, that's just the overall beautiful Super Duty right here at Akins and Willies. You know, being first to market on these builds is important, but this truck still took over a month to complete, and it was important to us to make sure we did it right. We didn't want to skimp on level, and there are some components that are still not available, like the amp power board XL that drops down lower, like a rear leaf pack that's available. There's some certain items that, because of the COVID-ness, that is just hard to acquire. So what I was saying is Mike's going to take this truck to the next level down the road as more parts become available. But a stunning F250 Platinum Tremor Everest Edition, 6-inch lifted with 38s and 24s, forged wheels, custom paint galore. Oh, y'all. Oh my gosh. Y'all, by the time, in 20 more years, I'm gonna have to like have a blood pressure monitor or something, because I'm still young. I'm gonna be tore out the frame by the time I get older, y'all. I love this. I truly love this. If you want somebody that's truly passionate about what he does, that is so into the details, Real Deal's your guy. Come see us at Akins and Wild Willies. We got you covered from everything from mild to wild. Each job, each build, each customer is just as important as the next one. So whether you're spending a lot of money or just a little with us, we truly care and want to make your vehicle custom and unique to us and you. It's in our name, Wild Willies, custom accessories for Real Deal and everyone here at Akins. Peace.